Okay, so we're here at Walnut Creek, and I have ridden this trail many times, and I have ridden up this particular part of the trail many times. It's a pretty long, ledgy up with lots of rocks, no grass, and I've crashed on it and hurt myself on it. I've also made it up it on a regular mountain bike many times. Walnut Creek is probably the trail I've ridden the most in Austin over the years, and I started riding mountain bikes in like 1989, so it's been a long time. So we're gonna try it today on the Obsidian, and this will be my first try, first really technical thing to go up. And I'm gonna see if the power gives me enough power to get up it. I'll start in gear 3. I'll try being in actual gear 3. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try 3. I was feeling good, I just ran out of steam. So I think I might need to be in pedal assist 3 or 4 to get up this thing. Let's try that. Okay, switching from pedal assist 2 to pedal assist 3. And gear 2 on the pedals, on the gears. And here we go. Oh, so close. Okay, I guess we'll try 4. I will say the bike is handling the ledges and the rocks very well for a bike that has a kickstand and fenders. Or should I just go straight to 5? Yeah. Okay. All right, just because we haven't been able to do it in 1, 2, or 3, I'm gonna skip right to pedal assist 5. If this don't do it, it's not possible. At least not by me. So pedal assist 4, pedal assist 5. Okay, here we go. Woo! Yeah. Wow. That was still difficult, but I've probably, on a regular bike, probably made that 1 out of 3 tries when I was in better shape. So to make it 1 out of 5 this time, it's pretty good. It's a lot heavier bike. True. Just to even out the fun, since we went up, I'm gonna try going down, which is really more of a braking exercise than a pedaling or pedal assist exercise. Let's see how it looks. Try to keep it slow, under control, nothing too extreme. Oh yeah, the Obsidian likes going down.
No one's gonna mock you on that.
No one should mock me.